Systematics is the comparative study of any group of organisms and of any and all relationships among them using the techniques of one or more branches of biology. Systematics often but not always results in classification. Classifications may or may not be based on systematic studies, but present-day biological classifications are almost exclusively so based. In order to be able to judge correctly the position of systematics in the field of biology, there is as yet no strong concession as to the term systematics. Systematics is defined as the science of classification, and this narrow definition includes discussion a great deal more than classification. Indeed, there is a strong tendency among biologists to give systematics a somewhat vague extension well beyond the more definite, relatively narrow bounds of classification. In keeping with this tendency and much more modern usage, Simpson gave a clear definition of systematics. That is, systematic is the scientific study of the kinds and diversity of organisms and of any and all relationship among them. Example of systematic. Animals that lay eggs and have scales, known as reptiles, and animals that live births and have fur or hair on their body, known as mammals. More specifically, all humans share the same characteristics and so belong to a group or a taxon of the genus Homo and species sapiens. Aims of systematics: to determine the specialized character or a species by comparative study, to determine the reasons for similarities and dissimilarities among the species, to determine the reasons for the appearance of these dissimilarities. Why we study systematics? To study of biological diversity and the relationships among organisms. Taxonomy, that component of systematics precisely focusing on the theory and practice of classification, is not clearly distinguishable and both are frequently used interchangeable by biologists.